What if every splash held a hidden danger?
A chemical lab isn't just a classroom. It's a realm of invisible rules.
Where beauty can be explosive.
And air itself can become fuel.
One shock is all it takes. So why does procedure matter?
Because even cold storage hides a spark. Some dangers don't roar.
They silently accumulate.
The first rule: never trust a scent.
Acid to water, never reverse.
Corrosives don't burn, they unmake.
Your sanctuary is always in reach.
Reactive chemicals demand isolation.
Your armor is non-negotiable.
Contacts stay outside the door. The fume hood is your force field.
Handle reactive agents with reach.
Shield your glass before the storm. Toxins often wear a pretty face.
Wash away the unseen every time.
Some dangers are truly invisible.
You must measure what you cannot see. The deadliest gas gives no warning.
Ventilation is your constant lifeline.
Waste is not an afterthought. Neutralize before you dispose.
The journey to safe destruction.
You are never alone in this.
What if one label is missing?
Small errors compound quickly.
Flashpoint is a moment, not a minute.
Containment fails without order.
Eyes are irreplaceable. This is why stations save sight.
Toxic vapors are silent hunters. Improper cleanup spreads the threat.
Drains are not a chemical dump.
A moment of distraction. A lifetime of cost.
Radiation doesn't forgive neglect.
Asphyxiation has no scent, no taste.
The first symptom is often confusion.
Then, the world fades away.
This is why vigilance is shared.
Response must be calm and direct.
Restore the lifeline first. One incident, everyone responds.
Contain, tag, report, correct.
Special hazards demand specialists.
The final barrier is professional.
Knowledge is the ultimate shield.
We protect ourselves by protecting each other.
Every rule is written in experience. The goal is not fear, but freedom.
To unlock wonder, not chaos.
Respect transforms hazard into discovery.
This is where the future is forged.